In this section, we will discuss about ECG, the electrocardiograph. This is a 12-lead ECG machine. There are many types of ECG machines nowadays. Most of them are very compact and convenient to use. And here's the 12-lead ECG done by this machine. So this is, again, the 12-lead ECG done by the 12-lead ECG machine. The ECG actually provides many informations that are very useful to help us in diagnosing arrhythmias. It is very convenient nowadays, but many years ago, in 1887, this is the first electrical recording of the heart. As you can see here, it is very cumbersome to have the electrical recording of the heart. And in 1902, the first surface electrocardiogram was recorded by Engelfeld. It is over 100 years since then. The 12-lead ECG hookup is as follows. Usually, the 4 limbs are hooked up with the leads, and also there are 6 chest leads, as hooked up shown here. If you look more closely into the limb leads, actually the 6 limb leads, they need 1, 2, 3, AVR, AVL, and AVF. These 6 limb leads are at 6 different angles looking to the heart. The lead 2, 3, and AVF are looking at the inferior aspect of the heart, so they're usually called the inferior leads. And lead 1 and AVL actually looks at the lateral aspect of the heart, and the AVR are looking to the right side of the heart. For the chest leads V1 to V6, actually this is in the horizontal plane. As shown here, the V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, actually looking at the heart from the horizontal plane